Hulk Hogan has passed away at the age of 71 after reports of him suffering from a cardiac arrest in Florida. Hogan won around 6 WWE championships and was recognized in the WWE Hall of Fame in 2005. In 2024, Hogan appeared at the Republican National Convention to endorse presidential bid of Trump, who in the 1980s had played the host to Hulk-headlined WrestleManias. Now, the popular wrestler, who also featured in several films and TV shows, including the third Rocky film, where he played the title character portrayed by Sylvester Stallone. In early 2000s, he was also a part of the reality show displaying his life on VH1 called Hogan Knows Best. And in 2000, Hulk Hogan's final WWE appearance was in 2025. Let's get in a word from Karishma. Karishma, Hulk Hogan, he's a household name. Every one of us, born in the 80s and the 90s know him. There were several other nicknames that was also according to him. He was popularly known as the Hulkster, the Hollywood Hogan, Hulkmania, Thunder Lips, and whatnot.
Well, it's absolutely, Amita. There were many, many names that were given to him. And when we talk about the 80s and 90s, anyone who was a WWE fan will remember Hulk Hogan, because at that point in time, WWE was recognized by two names, which is one, of course, Hulk Hogan, and the second being Undertaker. So a part of everyone's childhood has passed away, with Hulk Hogan's passing away at the age of 71 in Florida due to a cardiac arrest. And tributes have been pouring in for the WWE legend, from Donald Trump, the US President, to John Cena, everyone talking about how amazing, how wonderful he was. He's won many, many titles. And the fact that, it was because of Hulk Hogan that WWE gained global recognition as well in the 80s and 90s. He played a major, integral part in WWE's global dominance as well. In fact, the WWE co-founder had a very complicated relationship with Hulk Hogan, but goes on to say that he was the greatest superstar that WWE ever produced. So that, of course, says a lot about Hulk Hogan. Donald Trump calling him MAGA in all forms. Sylvester Stallone looking back and, recalling the amazing memories that he's had with Hulk Hogan. And more importantly, every childhood in the 80s and 90s had Hulk Hogan, had Undertaker as a part of it. We had those WWE cards that used to be there, and Hulk Hogan used to be a part of those WWE cards for sure. So there's a lot of memories to look back to when you talk about Hulk Hogan.
Absolutely. Be it the name of Hulk Hogan, be it the name of Undertaker. I mean, this is something that we have all grown up with. He skyrocketed to fame back in the 1980s and bringing professional wrestling into the mainstream. As Karishma mentioned, Donald Trump, John Cena, all of them have been also paying their tributes as far as to the legend himself is concerned. Let's get in a word from Pratibha as well, because as far as Hulk Hogan is concerned, everybody knows him. I mean, he went on to become an 8-time WrestleMania headliner and a 6-time World Wrestling Entertainment champion as well. And of course, being a part of several TV shows and a TV personality and in several films as well, Pratibha.
Absolutely. No doubt he was the greatest wrestler. And for those who were raised in the 80s and 90s, he was much more than just a wrestler. He was really a cultural phenomenon. He was known for his larger-than-life persona. He was a star. And tributes have been coming in, with many also talking about their personal equations with him, including the US President, of course, Donald Trump. Remember, he had also endorsed him a year ago. Donald Trump going on to say, we lost a great friend today, the Hulkster. Hulk Hogan was a MAGA all the way. Strong, tough, smart, but with the biggest heart. He gave an absolutely electric speech at the Republican National Convention. That was one of the highlights of the entire week. He entertained fans from all over the world, and the cultural impact he had was massive. To his wife, Sky, and family, we give our warmest, best wishes and love. Hulk Hogan will be greatly missed. The U.S. Vice President J.D. Vance has also taken to social media to say Hulk Hogan was a great American icon, one of the first people I ever truly admired as a kid. The last time I saw him, we promised we'd get beers together next time we saw each other. The next time will have to be on the other side, my friend. Rest in peace. Apart from that, a lot of Indian stars have also, of course, taken to social media to speak about the kind of impact that he has had in their life. Varun Dhawan has taken to Instagram to say, you inspired an entire generation, Hulkster. We remember him. That's a message that he had. Arjun Kapoor as well saying, a part of my childhood just went with the Hulkster. Thank you for the memories. So the stars also taking to social media to speak about their fond memories of him from their childhood.
Well, absolutely, because, Karishma, when we speak of our childhood, apart from, pop singers and bands, you would always find posters of Hulk Hogan and Undertaker. And how he was also, as far as when it comes to quite active supporter of the Porters and had campaigned for him and the vice president, in the run-up to the 2024 US elections. Of course, as far as his name is concerned, that was enough. And now here is President Trump remembering his old friend.
Well, yes, absolutely. It has been an amazing journey when we talk about Hulk Hogan. Hulk mania is ended now because he has passed away at the age of 71. But like Pratibha was reading out the tributes, that just goes on to show what Hulk Hogan meant to not just the WWE community, but to an entire generation as well, who identified themselves with WWE and, for that matter, with Hulk Hogan. So obviously it has been a very upsetting moment, but everyone is going to look back at the 80s and 90s with good memories, happy memories, winning memories of Hulk Hogan. He's of course appeared in a number of shows as well. He's done movies as well alongside other superstars. So obviously there's a lot to look back to when we talk about say legacy of Hulk Hogan. There are his old matches as well. He's won a number of titles as well. So everyone is obviously going to look back at his legacy with very fond memories, and the way he ensured that WWE was always there on the global map since he came into prominence in the late 80s and 90s.
Absolutely, because as far as Hulk Hogan is now concerned, we are looking at many of them who have now been remembering him and paying tributes. But he also, Karishma, adopted some kind of a villain personality, becoming the ringleader of the New World Order group. Then he made a comeback in 2002. And, he's been undisputed WWF championship for the 6th time before making an exit in 2003, I believe.
Yes, absolutely. He has, like we have been saying, that he is recognized with WWE. You cannot say WWE and not mention Hulk Hogan. He's had his ups and downs when we talk about WWE, but he has always ensured that his fans, the loyal fans of WWE, get the best of Hulk Hogan. Whether it's the fights, whether it's winning the titles, he's always ensured that there is, ample entertainment for his loyal fans, for the loyal fans of WWE. And it comes with the territory, I believe, that you adopt a villain-like figure when it comes to WWE. Not everyone is successful in that, but Hulk Hogan was one of the most successful faces of WWE. The co-founder of this particular WWE, saying that he was the greatest superstar that WWE ever produced. So that just goes on to show the importance, the significance of Hulk Hogan, and the fact that we are talking about him at this point, what he meant to the, an entire generation, not just the community in the United States of America, but across the world, across the globe. You had Hulk Hogan, and people are talking about him. People are, remembering what they have, the happy memories of Hulk Hogan, their favorite fight, their favorite title-winning moment, or the movie.
I guess it's the millennials mainly who remember him. You will always spot some posters plastered on their walls while growing up. And this is coming at a time where there were certain rumors about his health as well, but his wife had rubbished those rumors, dismissing that he's absolutely fine, he's strong. But this unfortunate news that came in as far as when it comes to the medical experts that were rushed to his Florida home, and then reports came in of him suffering from a cardiac arrest and then passing away. But as Karishma continues to be with us, we also talk about, it was almost a year ago when we speak of Hulk Hogan. He gave a rousing speech in the support of Donald Trump on the final night of the Republican National Convention. He was the hero there. Listen in.
Well, let me tell you something, brother. You know something? When I came here tonight, there was so much energy in this room. I felt maybe I was in Madison Square Garden getting ready to win another world title. Or maybe I thought the vibe was so intense, the energy was so crazy, it felt like maybe I was going to press that no-good, stinky giant over my head and slam him through the mat, brother. But what I found out was I was in a room full of real Americans, brother. And at the end of the day, with our leader up there, my hero, that gladiator, we're gonna bring America back together. One real American at a time, brother. You know something? I've seen some great tag teams in my time. Hulk Hogan and, ooh yeah, the Macho Man Randy Savage. But you know something? I see the greatest tag team of my life standing upon us, getting ready to straighten this country out for all the real Americans. You know, when I look out and I see all the real Americans, I think about how Donald Trump, his family was compromised. When I look out there and I see Donald Trump, I think about how his business was compromised. But what happened last week when they took a shot at my hero and they tried to kill the next president of the United States? Enough was enough. And I said, let Trumpomania run wild, brother. Let Trumpomania rule again. Let Trumpomania make America great again. And as an entertainer, I tried to stay out of politics. But after everything that's happened to our country over the past 4 years and everything that happened last weekend, I can no longer stay silent. I'm here tonight because I want the world to know that Donald Trump is a real American hero. I've known that man for over 35 years. And he's always been the biggest patriot, and he still is. He's always told you exactly what he thought, and he still does, brother. And no matter the odds, he always finds a way to win. And when he's back in our White House, America is going to start winning again. And I know tough guys, but let me tell you something, brother. Donald Trump is the toughest of them all. They've thrown everything at Donald Trump. All the investigations, the impeachments, the court cases, and he's still standing and kicking their butts. So all you criminals, all you lowlifes, all you scumbags, all you drug dealers, and all you crooked politicians need to answer one question, brother. What you gonna do when Donald Trump and all the Trumpomaniacs run wild on you, brother?
Well, he's been no stranger to controversies either, but if it was not for Hulk Hogan, it is unlikely that professional wrestling would be the multi-billion-dollar entertainment powerhouse that it is today. With